Until I'm on the island vlogs, I'm ready for lives every day without regrets. Yeah, so I made a rookie mistake, guys. After about 9 hours of editing, I made a mistake and deleted half of the footage. I deleted roughly half of the footage from this video. So I'm just reshooting the intro now. As the title says, I made some Barbie fried chicken in this video. You guys won't get the opportunity to see me struggling with the rain and cutting up the potatoes, as that's some of the footage that would have been lost. However, for the rest of it, I was able to salvage some of the video, and that's what you guys will be getting. So hopefully you enjoy. My Barbie fried chicken was way better.
Agreed.
Morning, guys. So we're outside again. It's the next day. Pardon the neighbor in the background doing the laundry. So yeah, just want to pick up the video from where we left off. Stay overnight. So really excited to fry these, see how them turn out. It's taking me way too long to get any form of fire going. Like, it's almost been an hour and this is all I'm getting out of. That's all I'm getting out of the fire coal. I'm just going to show you. So I took yesterday, I went ahead and seasoned. It smells so good. I went ahead and seasoned the chicken that I'll be using. I'm just going to go ahead now and try to add the flour coating to the chicken. So let's go. So to cut the first piece, kind of like get off the excess seasonings that I don't need. Lift up and just dip it in. Alright, kind of cover it up, make sure that you catch everywhere on the chicken, and kind of like squeeze on the flour so you know that it's tightly packed onto it, so that once you start the frying process it doesn't, you know, peel off that easily. So, and do the same. That's extremely hot. Right, guys, good. So we're going to go ahead and add the chicken now. Just shake off the little excess flour. It's not necessary. Come over to the oil and the chicken are going to fry. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give it about 9 to 10 minutes on each side. Once the chicken done fry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry the fries. You guys know I'm always going to take time to thank you for the support. Thank you guys for watching the videos, for liking. If you're new to the channel, as usual, subscribe. You know, I mean, it's free to subscribe. Just subscribe, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Become a maroon, you know, join the clan. Alright, so it's been roughly It's been roughly 10 minutes. Let me just turn them now. Sizzling, that goodness. It's time to turn this piece around. Chacha. Anyways, yeah, so basically this is the chicken, all light fried. I'm just going to put the fries in this oil. I don't know if that wise to put the fries in the oil where the chicken fry, but I mean, let me know in the comments if this was a wise decision. They're wet and a bit soggy. Oh boy, hopefully them fry good. Wish me luck, guys. Drop them in. Another handful. So maybe I placed too much in the pot. I know. Alright, and hopefully it fries. I don't think the fries are gonna turn out like how I wanted them to. Yeah, I don't think they're going to turn out how I wanted them to. But yeah, guys, while we're mourning over the fries, I'm going to steal a little piece of the chicken. So we just test this. Some really good chicken. Guys, I just had to get the next small piece that was there. The chicken is so flavorful. Maybe it's because it stayed overnight, so it got that extra time to marinate so that the flavors can soak right through the chicken. Like that. Good. Added some more coal to the fire. Hopefully that can save the fries. Operation Save the Fries. Fries definitely not working out, so I'm going to take out the fries and work on the barbecue sauce. Hopefully I can like refry some of these. Then I'm going to be adding the seasonings from the chicken, a little ketchup, soya sauce, brown sugar, the seasoning, not a lot, just to give it a little bit of flavor, a little coffee. Let's see how this turns out, guys. Top of the fridge, I saw 2 bottles of honey, so I'm just going to add a little bit of honey. Woy. Yeah, bro. I had to add some more fire coal to it, and finally we'll get somewhere, reach the consistency that I want. Thick, you know, that's the consistency I want. It's a nice piece of chicken. Cover it in that. Another nice piece of chicken. Cover it up in that. And then this little wing here. Cover it up in that. Very good. Oh, turn over. Yes, turn over. Turn over. Love it. Love to see it. Just cover this. I make this one chill for a little bit. Remember, I did kind of their bread with the fries. So I'm going to go inside. I'm going to refry them on the stove, and they turned out fairly good. The fries turn out fairly good. Guys, Barbie fried chicken. Yeah, so firstly, so it was really a good idea to fry it over. Firstly, the exterior is very crisp, while inside of it is very puffy and soft and puffy. It just works well. Yeah. Important part now, however, is the chicken. Look at this. Ooh. I have to get a proper seed. You guys seen this? It's in the afternoon now, so the mosquito them out and medieval business. Really good. A sweet taste, but the coffee adds an extra little bit of a kick to it. I don't want to say a sour, but the coffee adds a little kick to it. So it's like a sweet and not so. It's like a sweet and coffee. It's extremely good. Jay, of course you that must in a Spider-Man clothes. You good? More you taste this to me. Tastes like fries? Uh-oh. You like it? You sure? Tell the people what you like about it. Tell me what you like about it. Eh? What you like about it?
I don't know.
You don't know? You just like it? Yeah guys, so this is what is left. Trust me, extremely good. So yeah guys, the chicken was really good. I wish I did more so that, you know, I could share it with more people. But yeah, it turned out extremely well. The fries turned out well. It was just an all-around good dish. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Thank you guys for commenting. Can't wait for you to comment on this video. If you're new, as I said before, consider subscribing. You guys can share the videos, you can like the videos, go back and look at some of the old videos. You
can check out the one I did, the last video with the lionfish. That was a good one. I'm going to wrap it up here now, call it a day. Anyways, in everything you do, Maroons, remember these 3 things: patience, humility, and consistency. I'll see you in the next video.
I don't want magka-fat me at today's shoot.
Video.
You notice?
Mercy, that is it.